Okay, let's solve this equation. Negative 3y equals negative 4 1/5. Now, in order for us to solve it, solve actually means figure out what the unknown variable y is. That's what we want to do. That's what solving is. In order for us to figure it out, we have to get that y all by itself, home alone, on one side of the equals, and a number on the other side of the equals. In order to get it by itself, we need to get rid of that -3. So to get rid of it, we use opposite of operations. We have operations, the opposite of multiplication is divide, and the opposite of divide is multiply. So let's have a look at what we have here. We have -3 times y. We're multiplying -3 by y. So the opposite operation of multiplication is division. So to get rid of the -3, we divide by -3. And if we divide by -3 on this side of the equals, we also divide by -3 on the other side of the equals. Now it's balanced, because what you do to one side, you do to the other side of the equal sign. So let's have a look here. We've got -3y divided by -3. Well, -3 divided by -3 is just 1, so we're left with just the y. So we have y. Bring down the equals. Now we've got -4 1/5 divided by -3. So let me just go over here. If you remember fractions, the -4 1/5, I'm going to change that to improper. So that's 5 times 4, the denominator times the whole number, plus the numerator. 4 5s are 20, plus 1 is 21. So that's 21 on 5. Remember, it's negative. And we're going to divide by -3. And we'll put it over 1. Now remember, when we're dividing by -3, it's the same as multiplying by 1/3 negative. It's the same as multiplying by 1/3. So bring down the 21 and 5. They're both negative, so it's going to be a positive answer. So 21 and 3, if I can cancel that, cancel. So that goes 3 into 21 goes in 7 times. So it's 7/5. Notice that the negatives just got cancelled. So 2 negatives equal a positive. So it's 7/5. Now you could write it as divide the bottom to the top. 5 goes into 7, 1. Remainder 2/5. That's another way to write it down, but both are acceptable. That's a 5 on the denominator. 1 2/5. Okay, so -4 1/5 divided by -3, that's going to give you a value of 7/5 or 1 2/5. Now, if you'd like to check that your unknown variable is correct, that it's actually 1 2/5, all you have to do is take that y equals 1 2/5 and replace it for the y right here. So put 1 2/5 next to the 3. So -3 times positive 1 2/5 will give you -4 1/5.